Hi guys, in front of me is Redmi A1 and let me show you how to change navigation bar here. So at first you need to reach settings, then in search area enter navigation. And here you can smoothly switch your button navigation, which is currently set up, to gesture navigation smoothly by tapping on the switcher. And that's it. As you can see, from now on you can use gestures instead of buttons, and you can slide up to go back to home screen. You can slide from left to right or from right to left to go back. And then if you will slide up and hold it for a while, you will be able to see all recently used apps. And that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.